Welcome to Divine Beautiful Petals. In this video, we will discuss more about basic crystal grid. In the last video, I had shown you how to make a simple crystal grid with few crystals and without using a template. I had also shown you how to make crystal grid for abundance with one big central crystal, 6 inner supporting crystal and 6 outer supporting crystals. Here we have used pyrite cluster as a central stone. Then the inner supporting stones are citrine and the outer supporting stones are jade. Now look at this picture. This is also a grid that can be used for abundance and financial growth. Here I have used one central crystal, 8 inner supporting crystal and 8 outer supporting crystals. And this grid is also for abundance. Here I have used pyrite as central crystal, citrine, jade and green aventurine for the inner and outer supporting crystals. These crystals are used for abundance and financial growth. Therefore, always use crystals according to the goal for which you are making the grid. This grid is used for protection and to remove negativity. I have used a black tourmaline organ pyramid as central crystal. Pyramid projects the energy from apex. Black tourmaline is used for absorbing negativity and is used for protection. If you look at the inner supportive crystals, you can see I have used 4 pieces of black tourmaline tumbles and 4 pieces of tiger eye tumbles. Tiger eye is also used for protection. I have used a pencil black tourmaline pointing towards the central crystal. These arrangements create immense energy. You can use this grid for protecting your house or your family members or for yourself or others. Write the intention in a piece of paper and put it under the pyramid or the central crystal. You can also use a photograph and place it under the central crystal. Pray to God and then visualize your intention. Activate your palm and visualize a light passing through your hand and charging the crystals and activating them. You can also use a crystal wand to activate the crystals by connecting the central crystal with the inner supportive crystals clockwise. And again repeating the process by connecting the central crystal to the outer supporting crystal clockwise. Just try to trace a line or make a circle with the wand, or you can use your fingers too. Visualize that the person is being protected from all negativity or the house is being protected and it is full of positivity. Every day you can sit and meditate or pray in front of the grid. Please have full faith in your grid. A simple crystal grid can also be made inside a box. You can put a red cloth inside if you want and then place the crystals. Here only clear quartz has been used. This is for manifestation. You can use the same process of activating the crystal grid as discussed before. You can keep the box open or closed. Just follow your intuition. Keep it in a safe and clean place. It is important to clean, charge and program your crystals before you use them. And it is also important to deactivate or deprogram the crystals after your wish is manifested. Always thank the crystal for manifesting your wish. Please do make a crystal grid and share the pictures with us. Thank you, thank you, thank you.